Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malshini Perera. Today I'll be sharing the butter icing recipe with y'all. You will need 250 grams of Astra, 250 grams of butter, 1 kilo of icing sugar, 25 grams of Milkmaid and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's begin. First, beat Astra and butter together until it becomes light in color. Then, add the icing sugar time to time and mix it well. Finally, you can add the Milkmaid and the essence to it and mix them. If required, beat for a little time. And now the butter icing is ready. Now you can decorate your cakes as you wish. Thanks for watching.